Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, right trunk, right support bracket, and right fan. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Lift the right edge of the USB board off of the alignment pins on the top cover. Slide the external connector out of the cutout and remove. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the USB board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.